Platform 5 for the 2029 Metro service to Stepford Central. Calling at High Street, Stepford East, Fourways, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This station is St Helen's Bridge. This train is for Stepford Central.
Platform 3 for
The next station will be High
31
Street.
Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. Calling at Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, and Morganstown. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is a Metro service.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect.
Platform 5 for the 2029 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Stepford East, Stepford Central, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is St Helen's Bridge.
Platform 3
This train
for
is
the
for Stepford Victoria.
2031 Metro
The
service
next station
to
is
Barton
Stepford East.
via Bowdon. Calling at Angel Pass, Bowdon, Coxley Newtown, and Barton. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 7 for the 2033 Airlink service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central
This station
only.
is
This
St
train
Helen's
is formed
Bridge.
of 5 coaches.
This train is for
First class
Barton.
is located at the front of the train.
The next station will be Angel Pass.
Your attention, please. The 2046 Metro service to
This is
Barton
St Helen's
has
Bridge.
been cancelled.
This train.
This is due to a member of the train crew being
The-
unavailable.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Central.
Benton.
This is St Helen's Bridge. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now standing at platform 4 is the 2037 Stepford Connect service to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, Stepford Airport Central, and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Your attention, please. The 2052 Metro service to Barton has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Your attention, please. The 2040 Stepford Connect service to Morganstown has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
This station is
Platform
St
3
Helen's Bridge.
for the 2037
This train is for
Metro
Berrily.
service to Berrily.
The next station will be
Calling at
New Harrow.
New Harrow,
Welcome on board.
Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction, and Berrily. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is a Metro service.
Platform 5 for the 2037 Metro service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at High Street, Stepford East, Fourways, Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Your attention, please. The 2038 Metro service to Stepford Central has been cancelled.
This station
This is due
is
to a member of
St
the train
Helen's
crew
Bridge.
being unavailable.
This train is for Stepford Victoria. The next station will be High Street. This is a Metro.